Our environment is full of different kinds of creatures and living beings. I would like to talk about two of these living beings which are important to all of us, the honeybees and the butterfly. Well, one commonality between both these living creatures is that they're both equally hardworking. However, there are some distinctions that separate them. The butterfly depends or thrives on the nectar, which it often sucks from the flower. The honeybees do the same. However, they differ in their style of functioning. A butterfly would often do this alone, whereas the honeybees would do this in packs. Now, the important question that we need to ask here is that, are you a butterfly or are you a honeybee? Well, we as aspiring entrepreneurs have an option, and here are those options that I'd like to talk about. The first option is you can purely work on a sole proprietorship basis, which means you go all out on your own and you look for opportunities outside. Otherwise, the second opportunity is if you already have an established family business, you can make use of that platform and expand your family business. In that case, you do not have to reinvent the wheel, but use your existing family business and expand that further. And if you do not want to work on your family business, there is also another option. And that option is to work with other people. There could be 2 or even more people involved in this. This is quite similar to working like the honeybees, which means you depend on the expertise of different people and you complement each other. However, when you work with different people, there are certain things that you got to be aware of. First and foremost, you got to ask yourself, is your goal the same as the goal of your partner or partners? A lot of times, because people's goals do not match with each other, sooner than later they tend to disintegrate and partnership tends to collapse. So you got to be very clear while you're starting to work with other people. The second and the most important factor is that, is your value system the same as the value system of your partner? Now, what do we mean by value system? For example, if you believe on aspects of ethics and morality and honesty and trust, are these the same values which your partner or perhaps your group of partners also equally respect? If not, then there is a need for you to rethink whether you want to go with them. And hence, it is very important that your value system matches. Along with this, you got to also look at other aspects of working with people, wherein it becomes important to ask yourself, do you really enjoy the company of working with other people? If you enjoy the company of working with other people, then business becomes real fun. So here is what you got to do now. Get back to your dream book and jot this question down and take about 10 minutes to ask yourself, what is it that you truly are? Are you a butterfly or are you a honeybee? I'll leave you with that question right now. So don't forget to arise, keep winning.